Welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I wanted to share with you all about my wedding invitations. How I made them, how I customized them, how much did it cost, and how long did it take. Let's get this video started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my envelope and how I customized the address and the names of the people that's going to. I'm going to show you this because this just has a name. It doesn't have nobody's address, so I just chose a navy envelope that I got on Amazon, I think for like $7 a pack of 50. And then with my Cricut, I didn't know this, the Cricut can write. If you like set it up, it can write on paper with some special calligraphy. So what I did is I decided to write people's name on the front with their address, like everybody's address is like down here, their name in with a gold marker. And then our address is going to be back here. We don't need for people to send us the RSVP back because we are actually going to do the RSVPs online. But if something was to happen to the invitation in the mail, this is like for the people at the mail company to just know where to deliver it back, kind of thing. I don't know if that makes much sense. Okay, so I'm not sure if it was out of focus, but I think I fixed it. I'm going to actually open this invitation because this belongs to my maid of honor who is in Dominican Republic, and she's gonna travel for the wedding, so I'm not actually gonna send this to her. She's gonna have it as a keepsake when she comes for the wedding, and she's gonna take it with her. So I'm actually gonna open it so you guys can see everything that's in the invitation. So this is how like the first glimpse of my invitation look. I'm going to walk you through like everything that's in it. And by the way, I handmade everything that's in here, so I'm kind of proud of them. So the first thing you'll see is this little belly band that I made. It has our initials and is gold and white and polka dots, because our colors are like navy, blush pink, and gold, and obviously white. So I did this, I just cut it on the Cricut and I monogram it in the Cricut too. Next thing you'll see when you take the belly off is this little, I think it's vellum paper, that's it called. So it comes in a sheet of paper like 8 by 11. So it comes white, and I just did the lettering on the Cricut. I just pick a phrase and then pick a little like greenery, I don't know if you can see. So that's kind of, you know, decoration for just, so it's gonna be like this when people see it, you saw, so you don't get to the invitation right away. To actually create the website, like the design and everything, I went to a website that's called Creative Market because I wanted to add the decoration and flowers the same color of my wedding colors. Yeah, my wedding colors. And I was googling and I couldn't find any images that have both colors that I can use in a, you know, whatever I wanted to use them. And I'm gonna use those flowers for everything now. I had to pay like $10 for the whole design kit, but I had all the digital flowers and everything, so I can add them to everything. So I would recommend check that out if you are very specific of the colors that you want, and you can find them. The first thing people are gonna have after that vellum paper is going to be this little card that has this design on it. Let me see if you can see it. I'm trying to cover up information. Okay, whatever. Has that little design there, and it says this invite is reserved for X amount of people and our RSVP website. So that's that. It comes in a 5 by 7 sheet, but I just cut it to measure to just fit like the middle half of the invitation, if that makes sense. So it's like that. This is my actual invitation. Okay, I'm gonna put another close-up of it because I don't know, my camera's acting funny, it doesn't want to focus. But I printed the whole body of the actual invitation and the half RSVP thing on Staples. Then I came home and cut it and put it in the envelope and all that. Overall, so that's my invitation in a nutshell. So I first took the actual body of the invitation. I put this like there, and then my lovely phrase like that. Is it right? Okay, like that. And then, so none of that can like run away or move around in the envelope, I added this little touch here. So I added this belly, and that's my invitation. I am absolutely in love with them, how like personalized and like how me they are. So I am pleased. So let's talk about how much it costs. For the printout at Staples, it costs $50 because I had to print the RSVP and the actual invitation. So $25 and $25, so $50 for full printouts. The vellum paper, like the waxy paper that's in the front, it cost me, 1 minute, let me check my Amazon order history. So the paper cost me $10. And the envelopes cost about $10 for a pack of 50. So overall, my invitations came out for $75. I think that was a steal because somewhere else they were charging me $200 for something that it wasn't as personalized. So I think I did a good job. And yeah, I think this is all I have to share about my invitations. Next thing that I'm going to share with you is a haul of all the accessories that I'm going to wear for my wedding day. I'm waiting on my shoes to get here. And yeah, this is all for my invitations. I hope I inspire anyone that's looking this video to make their invitations, or just have some ideas to bring where you're having your invitations made or something like that. Or just be nosy and look at my invitations. I know I am. I watch 1,000 videos every day to some random wedding stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna link it down below and it's gonna pop up somewhere. And yeah, don't forget to stay safe during this coronavirus craziness that's going on. Stay home. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.